Hi, this is Lorne Lehan from SEOtoolsforyou.com. I'm here to bring you another video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'll be talking about cPanels, their use, their features, and how to benefit from using the cPanels. So first of all, this is my site, and I just wanted to point out the Alexa rating is down to 768,176. Now, as I started these video tutorial series, that rating was 2.8 million, so it's actually dropped almost 2 million places on the internet. So my goal is to get this under 100,000. So with your help in having a look at the site, commenting on some of my posts, signing up for the free tutorials, having a look at my YouTube SEO Tools for You, that's YOU channel, and making comments there, we should be able to get this down to under 100,000. So the goal for this website. So first of all, what is a cPanel? Well, I'll quickly show you what a cPanel is. So it's very important for anyone doing anything with the internet. If you're building sites, if you're monitoring traffic, if you're setting up domains, this is what you need to get very used to. I'll just step back a bit because before we have a look at the cPanel, we need to go into buy a domain. So in this case I use GoDaddy, and I find they're huge on the internet, and for buying domains you can get a fairly good price. Now I have made a few videos on how to actually find really bargain price aged domains. If you have a look at the previous videos on the SEOtoolsforyou.com site, you'll see a video saying how to find and create a domain name. So once you buy your domain from GoDaddy, I go to HostGator. Now that's HostGator.com, and this is a site that allows you to host your domains. Now you can host it at GoDaddy, but I would suggest signing up for HostGator, and that way it makes it very affordable. So as you can see here, for $3.96, which is this awesome price, it's actually 20% off this month, you can actually host as many sites as possible and just get some really good experience under your belt for $3.96 a month. So once you buy a domain from GoDaddy, for instance, and once you sign up for HostGator hosting domain, and I'll provide you with a link if you don't mind using, it just allows me to make a bit of money for creating these videos. So once you sign up for HostGator and go through all your details, and they'll bill you $3.96 per month, you can actually go in here and try the cPanel demo. Now what I'll do is I'll go straight to my cPanel so I can show you a bit more detail. Now this is my live cPanel, and as you can see there's quite a few icons here. It's very rich in feature and functionality. So let me just go through some of the more important icons that point out at the moment. Of course there's video tutorials, and if you don't get enough from my video tutorial, you're certainly welcome to go in and have a look at the cPanel video tutorials. So you've got videos on MySQL, which is a database. You can change the style and theme of your cPanel. Subdomains, that's important. We'll touch on that. Add-on domains, that's really important. Park domains, you can change passwords, and you can also set up your database and have a look at your file behind your domains by using the file manager. You can back up your domains using the backups, and you can also control your FTP accounts, which is your file transfer protocol. So that's how you get the information to and from your website. So there's just have a look through that. There's a lot of video tutorials. So going back here, now what I primarily do is I look at the email accounts. So you can easily set up an email account, and this is a drop-down list. Oh, first of all, let me just step back a bit. When you sign up for a hosting account, they're going to be asking you what is your URL. So you'll provide your URL that you just bought from GoDaddy. You'll provide it to the when you sign up for the HostGator for your hosting domain, and then you come down here and you can see my main domain is mycachecreatorsonlinestore.com. Now you can still use that domain, but I choose to do things like add-on domains. So I know I'm jumping around a bit, but this is primarily where I add on additional domains. Now once you start going and you have a few domains, like you have one domain for your hosting account, that is the master domain for your cPanel, as I just showed you a few minutes ago. And then once you buy more domains through, say, GoDaddy, once you sign up and buy and find yourself more domains, what you do is come straight into cPanel here, and you add your new domain, say new domain, cpanel.com, and it will just say that's a valid domain name. So once you tab down, it will add your new domain name, and that's going to be your subdomain FTP username. Now this might all be a bit overwhelming, but trust me, have a look at the videos under the cPanel, and it might make things a little more clear. But what I want to do is show you that I've just added another domain, and it's added it under public HTML/newdomain.com. So whenever I want to access this domain, that's how I access it through the cPanel. You can generate a password. If you don't like that one, just hit generate password, and then you have to click here and use that password. So don't try to go into this newdomain.com because it's just, I just typed it in, it's just an example. But this is how you add domains. Once you buy a domain from your GoDaddy site, this is how you actually allocate it. Now, as this ad said, here you've got unlimited disk space, bandwidth, and this allows you to do is add a number of these domains using the one cPanel. So it's a very, very nice way of collecting your domains and managing them under one software program. So let me just click on Home. So once we get back to the cPanel, I have probably about 10 or 20 cPanels, and there's also this other thing, which is Web Host Manager, WHM. Now if you want to learn a bit more about this allows me to have a number of cPanels under one software program. So instead of going into separate cPanels, this Web Host Manager allows me to once again control a lot of cPanels under one software umbrella. So if you want to learn a bit about this, it's also very good for SEO because you can separate your cPanels into different IP addresses and switch those IP addresses quite easily. So it's very good for keeping